few days ago, Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.6. In this video, I am going to show you how you can use it for free. First of all, let's focus on what is different in Claude Opus 4.6 compared to 4.5. So, here I am at my desk looking at the Claude Opus 4.6 blog post. Claude Opus 4.6 improves on its predecessor's coding skills. First, we can see all the benchmarks here. For knowledge work, it scored a whopping 1,606. That is better than ChatGPT 5.2. Then, on Agentic search, it scored 84. Coding is 65.4, which is better than ChatGPT 5.2. On reasoning benchmarks, it is at 53.1, better than ChatGPT 5.2 and Gemini. As you can see here, checking the first impressions and evaluating the overall benchmarks, specifically agentic coding and agentic computer use, it performs better than GPT 5.2. It is also better than Gemini 3 Pro and every other model in the world right now. If I scroll down, you can see long context retrieval, which indicates how much information the model retains within large context windows. You can see 72 and 93 here. Then, for software failure diagnosis, it scored 34.9. For multilingual coding, it scored 77.8. Regarding long-term code coherence and cybersecurity benchmarks, it scored 66.6, and in life sciences, 53.1. This is better than the older versions of Opus and Sonnet. Finally, for overall misaligned behavior, it is around 40. Now, if we look here, the prices are sky high. $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. By Anthropic standards, that is too much. It is 2.5 times faster, but 6 times more expensive. It is somewhat like the Apple strategy, but for AI. So, here I am on my browser, and I will show you how you can use it for free. You have to go to LM Arena, then go to Battle. Here, you have multiple options: side-by-side chat, web search, and image generation. Now, you have to go to direct chat, and you can select Claude Opus 4.6 or Claude Opus 4.6 Thinking, which is the high reasoning model. Now I'm going to give it a task. Make me an ML model for the autonomous detection of humans. Let's see how it works. Now it is thinking and generating. It will take some time. It asks for a security checkup. Obviously, I am not a robot. It is generating. So, it suggested a YOLO-based approach for autonomous human detection. It lists all the required Python files and requirements, so I just have to copy and paste this code. And if you guys are looking for a free API for Claude Opus 4.6, basically, you are not going to get it because it is already very costly. As I told you, it is $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. That is hugely expensive. Somewhat like what Apple did with hardware, they are now doing with software. Thanks for watching, guys.